We've officially released the GitHub import and push features to the Bind AI IDE, and they're working beautifully. In this video, we walk you through how these new capabilities streamline your workflow. You'll see how to preview the entire GitHub repository, especially useful for JavaScript projects, or browse all project files directly within the editor. Collaborate with the integrated AI agent to understand, modify, or generate code. Push your changes back to GitHub with a single action, and download the updated project whenever you need. To get started, click on Projects from the left-hand panel. From here, choose Import from GitHub. This opens the GitHub integration menu, where you can connect your GitHub account to Bind AI. If this is your first time syncing a repository, you'll be prompted to enter your GitHub username and personal access token. This allows Bind AI to securely fetch your repositories and their contents. In our case, we've already connected an account, so instead of adding a new one, we're simply updating the existing token. Go ahead and click Edit, paste in the new token, and save. Once that's done, Bind AI will automatically begin syncing and fetching all available repositories associated with that account. This may take a moment, depending on how many repos you have. After the processing finishes, you'll see a list of your GitHub repositories. Now select the repository you want to import. For this example, we'll choose Neon Chess. Next, pick the branch you want Bind AI to use. Usually this will be main or master, but you can choose any active branch. Once everything is selected, click Start Import. Bind AI will begin pulling in the entire project, including files, structure, and relevant metadata. Depending on the size of your repository, this step can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Larger projects with many files will naturally take longer. Once complete, you'll see this notification. Once your repository has been imported and is ready to be toyed with, you can pretty much do anything you want. In our example, we'll ask Bind AI to update the project, add a computer player, and fix any existing bugs, all in one request. Bind AI will scan the entire codebase, understand its structure, and automatically generate the necessary updates. You can review each change, accept it, or ask for a revision just like you would with a real teammate. And that's the beauty of working inside Bind AI. Once your project is loaded, you're free to experiment, optimize, or build new features without worrying about messing anything up. Bind AI provides quick, flexible tools for refactoring complex logic, exploring ideas, documenting projects, and rapidly prototyping components with ease. Now that we know how the import feature works, it's time to talk about push. To get started, click Deploy to GitHub at the top of the interface, then select Push Changes. Pushing is the process of sending your changes from Bind AI back into your GitHub repository, just like a regular Git push, but with all the convenience built directly into the IDE. You'll see an option for Auto Push, which automatically pushes updates every time you accept changes in Bind AI. It's a huge time saver, so we'll go ahead and toggle that on. Within moments, your modifications will be pushed to the Bind AI staging branch of your repo. This keeps your main branches clean while still giving you a safe space to test, review, or merge your AI-generated updates. And just like that, your workflow stays smooth, organized, and always in sync with GitHub. Now, let's head over to GitHub for a moment to see the changes. The changes are in, but we still need to create a pull request to merge these updates into the Bind AI prod branch. This ensures your changes are reviewed and integrated into the live version of the project. To do this, click again on Deploy to GitHub and select Create Pull Request. A pull request is essentially a structured proposal for updating your repository. In our context, it gathers all the changes Bind AI just generated, every file update, bug fix, and new feature, and packages them into a clean, reviewable set of modifications. It gives you a snapshot of what's about to be merged, lets you inspect the diff, and ensures that every update follows a clear, trackable workflow. This step is especially helpful when collaborating with others or maintaining quality control, since it keeps development organized and transparent. Now comes the most important part, finalizing everything by merging that pull request. Click on Merge Pull Request, and from the list, choose the most recent PR created by Bind AI. You'll then see an option labeled Merge and Deploy to Production. This action not only merges the pull request into the production branch, it also triggers Bind AI to automatically deploy those changes to your GitHub repository. After confirming, the system will begin processing the merge, validating the changes, and updating the Bind AI prod branch. This may take a few seconds as the deployment pipeline completes. Here you can see all the finalized changes now live on the GitHub repo page. Everything we pushed, reviewed, and merged through Bind AI has been successfully deployed, and it's all organized under the Bind AI prod branch. If you look through the file tree and commit history, you'll notice the updates we requested, whether it was new features, fixes, or code refinements, are all reflected here exactly as expected. This gives you full visibility and confidence that your production branch is up to date. And just for reference, here's the finished result, our fully updated Neon Chess game. Everything we added, from the visual polish to the new gameplay logic, is now live and ready to play. And finally, you can download the project simply by clicking on the download option you can see at the top of the IDE. The download time will depend on your project. So, that's it for us today. We hope this video helped you. Try Bind AI IDE now if you haven't already, and consider subscribing to our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.